When you need more power without the bulk of a large generator, these parallel power cables offer a smart solution. Designed specifically for Yamaha EF2000iS inverter generators, they let you combine two units quickly and safely, doubling your output without the hassle. The cables feature polarized IP30 banana plugs that ensure a secure connection every time. This means you can plug in and go without worrying about compatibility or safety issues. The Quick Connect design fits perfectly with the parallel jacks on both generators for seamless setup. Color-coded wire leads simplify installation, so even if you're new to parallel setups, you'll find it straightforward. Plus, the exclusive flexible tip construction resists breakage, extending the cable's lifespan even with regular use in rugged environments. If you're used to standard 30 ARV cords, you'll appreciate that these cables are fully compatible. That means no extra adapters or complicated wiring. Just plug in and enjoy reliable power, whether you're camping, tailgating, or facing an unexpected outage. Durability is built in. The rugged over-braided cable design stands up to wear and tear, protecting the internal wiring from damage. That's crucial when you're outdoors or on the road, where equipment can take a beating. The handy hook and loop mounting system keeps your cables organized and secure. No more tangles or loose cords cluttering your setup. This small feature makes a big difference in convenience and safety. These cables fit Yamaha models EF2000iS, EF2000iS V2, and EF2000iS, so you know you're getting a product tailored to your equipment. It's a single-item package, ready to connect your generators right out of the box. One satisfied user shared how these cables transformed their power setup. Instead of lugging around one heavy generator, they use two lightweight Yamaha 2000iS units. The cables allow them to run essential appliances like furnaces and electronics 24/7 during cold weather RV trips. The ability to alternate between generators for refueling or maintenance means uninterrupted power. And if one generator fails, the other keeps things running. That kind of reliability matters when you're off the grid or in emergency situations. This setup also handles high-demand devices like air conditioners when the weather heats up. Combining two generators with these cables gives you flexibility and peace of mind, no matter the season. Beyond camping and RV use, these cables are popular with amateur radio emergency service operators. They rely on dependable power in the field, and having two generators linked means they're never left in the dark. Winter camping is another scenario where these cables shine. Half the power is better than none, and being able to combine two smaller generators makes setup easier and transport lighter. The product ships quickly, with users noting no delays from the seller. That's important when you need reliable gear on short notice for trips or emergencies. If you're considering how to boost your portable power without investing in a bulky generator, these parallel power cables are worth a look. They offer a straightforward, durable, and safe way to combine two Yamaha EF2000iS generators. What you get is more than just a cable. You gain flexibility, backup options, and the ability to power more devices simultaneously. It's a practical upgrade that changes how you manage portable energy. Try these cables when you're ready to simplify your power setup. Whether for camping, RV life, or emergency preparedness, they deliver dependable performance without fuss. In short, these parallel power cables are a smart investment for anyone using Yamaha EF2000iS generators. They expand your power options while keeping things lightweight and manageable. Don't settle for less when it comes to portable power. Combining two generators with these cables means you're prepared for whatever comes next, whether it's a weekend getaway or an unexpected outage. Explore the benefits of these cables today and see how they can enhance your generator setup. Safe, Easy, and built to last, they're the connection you didn't know you needed.